Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 4. This is Section 1.3, Problem 4. We have to add 146 plus 2,368. This problem is written vertically. It's ready to go. So we'll just add the columns starting from the far right. 6 plus 8 is 14. So for 14, we'll write the 4 from the 14 and carry the 1. And then we can add the next column, 1 plus 4 plus 6. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 more is 11. So from the 11, we put the 1 from the far right, and then we carry the other 1 to the top of the next column, and then we add that column 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 more is 5. And with just 5, there's nothing to carry to the next column. And in the far left column, you have nothing at all plus 2, which is just 2. So the final answer is 2,514.